In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create circular arrows in PowerPoint using Smartart. This is a fantastic tool for enhancing your presentations by adding visually engaging graphics that can help illustrate processes, cycles, or sequences in your slides. Let's dive right in and walk you through the steps. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. Once you've launched the program, navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation where you want to add your circular arrows. If you're starting from scratch, just create a new slide where you would like to insert these Smartart graphics. Now, to access the tools you need, go straight to the top of the screen where you'll see a menu of tabs. Click on the tab labeled Insert. This will open up a variety of options for adding different elements to your slide. Among these options, you'll find Smartart. Click on Smartart to proceed to the next step. As you click on Smartart, a dialog box will appear displaying different categories and styles of Smartart graphics. For our purpose, we're looking at the cycle category. This selection is perfect for representing circular processes or loops. Once you click on Cycle, you'll see various designs. Find and choose the 7th Smartart option, which is typically a cycle with arrows. This specific design is great for showcasing continuous flow or relationships. With your Smartart selected, right-click on it to bring up a list of options. One of these options will be Ungroup. Select Ungroup. What this action does is break down the Smartart graphic into individual elements, giving you the flexibility to modify or move parts independently. It's a helpful feature when you want to customize your design further. Now let's focus on the arrows. Click directly on the arrows within the graphic. By doing so, you can easily drag and move the arrows around as needed. Feel free to adjust their position to suit your presentation's layout or to emphasize particular points you're illustrating. And there you have it, your circular arrows are now ready and customized on your PowerPoint slide. With a bit of creativity, you can further change colors or styles to match your presentation's theme. These steps are a quick and effective way to enhance your slides, making your information not only visually appealing but also easier for your audience to grasp. That's it for today's tutorial on creating circular arrows using Smartart in PowerPoint. With these steps, you can make sure your presentations are both engaging and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.